To activate the vehicle's navigation system, turn the ignition on. With the vehicle in park, touch the navigation icon in the upper MMI display. This button can be saved in the quick access bar on the left. The map screen shows the current location and direction of travel. The map view can be changed using the settings icon. Select Map Settings. Multiple options are available, including map orientation, background color, and MMI map contents. The return arrow moves back one screen. The submenu icon allows access to multiple data entry methods, including last destinations, saved favorites, points of interest, and destinations received from a registered My Audi account. Press Intelligent Search. Then enter a command or destination manually on the lower MMI display, either with the keyboard or by handwriting on the touchscreen in block or cursive letters. No pause is necessary between characters. For a space, swipe right. To delete a character, swipe left. Suggested addresses will appear as data is entered. If the desired address appears before completing entry, touch it. Then select Start to begin navigation. The information pane on the right displays the estimated time of arrival and distance to destination, along with other information selected in Settings. While in Map Guidance mode, the map can be moved by dragging a finger across the display. Drag and lift to move more quickly. Zoom in by using two fingers spread apart or by double tapping with one finger. Zoom out by pinching with two fingers or by double tapping with two fingers. When using Intelligent Search, it is possible to change the search area while route guidance is active by pressing the Intelligent Search icon. Then toggle the destination icon to search near the destination, nearby, along the route, or access Google Search to enhance the results. When the Google icon is in color, it is active. Cancel navigation by touching the Cancel Guidance icon, or by pressing the talk button and saying Cancel Route Guidance or Cancel Navigation. The navigation system can also learn driving patterns and habits and make route suggestions based on past routes taken. In navigation settings, select Personal Route Assistance. Switch it on or off as desired. Past routes can be deleted from the system as needed. For complete operation details of the Audi MMI navigation system, please consult the owner's manual.